are you sure you won't hurt your girlfriend na si Bel Mariano? Yan ang naging tanong namin kay Donnie at seryoso naman niyang sinagot ito. Sabi niya, hindi naman ako perfect but I will. I won't hurt her. At gagawin ko iyon. Yan ang naging pangako ko sa kanya simula pa lang. It's important to prioritize your girlfriend's feelings and well-being in any relationship.